dear students, welcome back to the physics class 10. Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about circuit diagram. We are very well know about the circuit, I think. What is the use of electrical circuit? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is known as electrical circuit, which we discussed in the earlier classes. A continuous and closed path of an electric current. That continuous and closed path is known as circuit. The circuit is made up of components. It may be a cell, battery, ammeter, voltmeter, bulb, resistor, whatever it may be. The component makes the electric circuit. So in the circuit diagram, we know about what are the components which are connected, or which are going to connect, and how they are connected. Where the plus is going, where the minus is going, which are the component we are going to connect. This information we give these informations are given by the circuit diagram. So circuit diagram is one of the most important representation. With the help of the circuit diagram, we make the connections and do the experiments. Before drawing the circuit diagram, we must know about the components of the symbols of the components, because we are not drawing the shape of the components everywhere in the circuit diagram. For example, battery. For example, battery, we can use the symbol of battery in the circuit diagram instead of drawing the battery. Okay, that is the good way. That is the importance of drawing circuit diagram. So the circuit diagram, we have lot of informations, but if you want to draw the circuit diagram, you must know the symbols of the component. So in this class, we are now going to learn about some symbols of the important components in the 10th level physics. Okay. First one, electric cell. What is the symbol of the electric cell? The symbol of the electric cell is nothing but, this is the symbol of the electric cell. This is components and this is symbol. Components. What are the name of the components? This is symbol of the components. Which symbol of the component which we are going to use in the circuit diagram. So electric cell comprises of two terminals. One is longer terminal, another one is shorter terminal. This longer terminal is the positive terminal, so we can indicate plus and indicate minus. Okay, two or more cells combined together to form the battery. This is one cell, this is another cell, this is another cell. So here three cells. Here three cells are combined in series. This is called as battery. This is the symbol for battery. So when two or more cells are combined together, that is called battery. What is the use of electric cell or battery? Both are doing the same thing. What is the use of electric cell or battery? Electric cell or battery provides potential difference. If the potential difference is applied between the two ends of the wire, then only the current will starts to flow. If there is no potential difference between two ends of the wire, then there is no current. So potential difference, we want to make a potential difference between the two ends of the wire with the help of cell or the battery. So cell and battery, we can often use these two symbols. So please remember that. Third is open key or switch. Is switches essential for an electrical circuit? Yes. By doing some experiments, we can connect lot of components. You can switch off and switch off. Whenever you are using, you can switch on. Otherwise, you can switch off the components with the help of open key or switch. Open key, there are open key and switch. Open key or switch. The key open position means we can draw like this. Open position. Open position means the symbol like this. So what is the use of switch? Which makes the circuit to be closed or open. If the circuit is closed, the current will pass through it. If the circuit is open, the current will not pass through the circuit. Okay. So switch plays a major role. Okay. The closed switch or the closed key or switches, the symbol is, we put a dot inside the inside these two we put a dot, then this switch is said to be closed switch. Now the current is flowing in the circuit when this symbol is drawn. When this type of symbol is drawn in the circuit, that means the current is flowing because the switch is here, here the switch is closed. So the circuit is closed, so the current will flow through the circuit. Okay. The last one is, this is wire joint. Wire joint means we can indicate the joint wire by this symbol. Here the two wires are jointed. Here the two wires are jointed. Okay, yes. In this way we can indicate the wire joint. This is for this is one of the symbol of drawing the circuit diagram. Then another one, wire crossing without joint. In some places, in some circuits, the wire is crossing another wire without connecting. With connecting means we can make use of this symbol. Without connecting, we can use this symbol. Don't forget. So here, this curve represents this wire is not jointing to that wire. These two wires are not jointing, but the wire is crossing over the other wire. One wire is crossing, this wire is crossing over the other wire without joining. That is the symbol here. Then the important one is resistance of resistor R. The resistance, how can we use this symbol? The resistor, the symbol for resistor is here. This is the symbol for resistor, not resistance. This is the symbol for resistor, because resistor is a component. Resistance is its property. Okay, so resistor, the symbol for resistor is this. What is the use of resistor in the circuit diagram in the circuit? The resistor provides resistance, which means which opposes the flow of charges. If we want to reduce the current in the given circuit, we make use of this resistor because it opposes the flow of charges. Okay. Then variable resistance or rheostat. The symbol for variable resistance is, first you draw the resistor and you put an arrow mark. This arrow mark represents this resistance is able to vary. So this is called as variable resistance. Otherwise, we often use the name rheostat. So the symbol for rheostat is this, or we put another one symbol. These two symbols usually represents the symbol for rheostat. This or this, we can make use as our wish. Okay, these two symbols represents symbols for rheostat. Rheostat is used to vary the resistance in order to vary the electric current in the circuit. If you want to increase or decrease the electric current in a circuit, we can connect one rheostat in the circuit. With the help of rheostat, we can be able to manage the current in the circuit. We can regulate the current in the circuit. Okay. The next is ammeter. We know very well about ammeter. Ammeter is a device which is used to measure the flow of electric current, the amount of electric current flowing in the circuit, which can be represented by the symbol A. Plus and minus indications are necessary because when we are connecting, the positive terminal and negative terminal of the ammeter is connected in the circuit diagram, in the circuit. Okay, so plus minus should be represented while drawing the circuit diagram. Okay. Likewise, voltmeter. Voltmeter is an instrument used to find or determine the potential difference across the two terminals in a circuit. The voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the component, in parallel with the circuit. Ammeter is always connected in series. So don't forget. The last one is electric bulb. The use of electric bulb we know. If we want to find the electric current, is electric current flowing through the circuit or not? If you want to find it, then you can connect one electric bulb in the circuit. If the bulb glows, the current will pass through the circuit. Otherwise, it will not pass through. So this is the symbol for electric bulb. Without glowing, If the bulb glows, then we can make use of this symbol. So these are all symbols related to components. If you know this, if you have the knowledge of the symbols of some components, you can easily draw the circuit diagram. Okay, so it is necessary to learn the symbols of this type of components, then only you can draw the circuit diagram. That symbols are most important. It will be very useful while you are studying in higher class physics also. So first one, electric cell, battery, 2 or more cells connected together to form the battery, open key or switch, closed key or switch by putting a dot inside the two brackets, wire joint, here the dot will be highlighted, wire crossing without joint, don't forget to draw the curve, resistor, variable resistance or rheostat, there is one arrow mark in the resistor, or this ammeter, A, plus minus symbol should be indicated, voltmeter, you should indicate plus minus symbol, V for voltmeter, this is used to measure the potential difference between across the terminals, electric bulb with glowing, this symbol is used, without glowing you can erase these dots. For resistor there is no plus minus, we can connect resistor by our wish. There is no positive and negative in the resistor. These are all about the circuit diagram. I hope all of you very well understood this topic. We will see a new topic in the next lecture. Till that, bye my friends. Bye. Thanks.